Good morning, McBride students. Good afternoon, I should say. Hope you guys are doing great. We are on to another ridiculous PE journey today, and that is a little X Games bike riding, okay? We're going to do some backflips. We're going to do some aerials. We're going to do some Supermans. We're going to do all kinds of crazy stuff, okay? So stay tuned, and we're going to get to those in just a minute. Okay, guys, so I put a little more thought into it. You know, this is the X Games and all, and I kind of decided this is more like the relaxing games, or like the chill games, or like the calm games, because I can't do backflips, I can't do aerials, I can't do Supermans. So this is going to be the mellow games. There it is. This is going to be more the mellow games, okay? Like just cruising down the road on a beautiful, sunny day, okay? So I apologize to the viewers out there, okay? But I'll try to add a little bit of interesting movements into it. We'll see what I come up with. Okay, guys. All right, popping a few wheelies, guys. We can do that. Woo! Okay, guys, I got the need for speed. Here we go. Woo! Here comes the big wheelie. Whoa! Look, Mom, no hands. Woo! All right, guys, one thing I do know for sure, tricks or no tricks, okay, just getting out and riding your bike is a really fun, great activity. Keeps you active, keeps you healthy, okay? And just like this PE video will do for you. Stick with me, guys. We've got some more volleyball coming here shortly. Bum, 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 joke of the day. Do you know the hardest part of learning to ride a bike? It's the pavement. Doesn't feel good. Here's another one. What do cyclists ride in the winter? They ride an icicle. Good stuff. All right, guys. Okay, guys, your sports trivia for the day. Don't forget your bike also works for bicep curls. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay. So, your sports trivia. The Tour de France, the most famous bike race in the entire world. How many miles is the race? Think big, real big. Guesses are fun. Give it a guess. The correct answer is 2,156 miles. Incredibly far race, guys. It runs for about 23 days. Okay, pretty impressive race that is. Next, how many backflips have been completed and landed on a bike? The most that has been done and landed. Much lower number, of course. Okay. Correct answer is 4. Okay. The world record is 4 backflips and successfully landing. Okay. Not safe. Do not try. Okay. See ya. All right, guys. Where hard work's being done, you need a hard hat, okay? Let's get in a little warm up here and then we'll get things underway. Here we go, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, push-ups. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good.
And these are called safe sit-ups. In case I hit my head on the ground, I'm in good shape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Nice work, guys. All right, guys, we're back here with the volleyball unit. Some more drills for you today. Remember, now is a great time to go grab a ball, okay? Volleyball, obviously a lot of us don't have these around. You know, a ball like this yesterday. Last lesson, I had a tennis ball. This one, just a little bit bigger, a little softer, okay? So any ball that you have lying around will work for what we're gonna do, okay? Obviously one more similar to a volleyball size would be the best, okay? So I got my headband on and I'm ready to play some volleyball, folks. Here we go. All right, guys, here we're gonna work on consecutive passes, okay? Remember, passing, you are making a fist, grabbing that fist, you're here or possibly here, okay? And contacting anywhere, wrist out towards your thumbs, okay? And we're gonna try to go continuous off of the wall, okay? So, some of us, you know, might do 3 or 4 in a row, okay? Some people might be able to get to 10. Whenever you lose control, just gather yourself and get ready to go again, okay? So here we go. Hopefully you're doing well. Obviously, the softer the ball you're using, okay, the probably easier time you're having. Also, you know, slightly bigger is obviously going to be very helpful, okay? And here we go. Just like so. Okay, so that's a great drill for practicing your passes or your bumps, okay? And keep up the good work. All right, guys, working on your passes or your bumps again, okay? And you are just trying to go consecutively now, just up in the air, just back and forth, up and down, okay? Again, sometimes you might get 1, 2, 3, okay? Other times maybe you'll get 7, 8, 9. Okay, so just get yourself in a good position. Remember, control the ball. Don't wind up and smack the ball. Okay, we are just lightly hitting it, trying to keep it in front of us and back and forth between our wrists and hands. Okay, so here we go. All right, not very many there. See how I'm just barely hitting it, guys. Alright, go ahead and do it with me. When you've hit a real good platform, you can see like I've been hitting it there several times in a row. I was just kind of hitting that sweet spot. okay, kind of right at my wrists, and it was just a really nice platform and felt very under control. Okay, if you're using a smaller ball, again, it will be most likely more challenging. Okay, here we go. There we go. Yeah, you got to be prepared to have your feet moving, okay? Got to get yourself in good position underneath that ball. Nice job, another great drill to work on that pass. Set continuously off of the wall, okay? It's going to be hard to do a lot in a row, okay? Because we're new at this, okay? But if you have a space, find a clear wall, okay? Hopefully you're using a soft ball that won't hurt anything. Make sure you get approval to do this, okay? And you're going to, again, just when we set, just fingertips, just popping that ball up, okay? So here we go. If you lose it, okay, just gather yourself and restart. Go ahead and just make sure you're doing it with me. Doing good. Start to burn, feel the burn in the shoulders a little bit. Good. If you are using a smaller ball, it will probably be a little bit more difficult, but it works. Just like so. All right, guys. Nice work with that. Okay, keep practicing that setting. Okay, guys, another setting drill here for you. Okay, this is continuous, not off the wall. This is just above your head and going and going and going. Okay, just like the others. Okay, get as many as you can in a row, and just do your best. Here we go. Okay, now I'll make a little adjustment. I was hitting it fairly high. It's actually probably going to be easier for you if you hit it a little bit lower, okay, like this. Okay? Just keeping it closer to your hands. You're not hitting as hard, and you might be more successful. So just something to try for you. And obviously, that's, not a hit that's going to probably transpire in a volleyball game, okay? But this is all technique, learning to control the ball, okay? If you have a smaller ball, it's going to be more difficult. Okay, but still excellent practice. Okay, another great setting drill for us, guys. Good work. Thanks for following along today, guys. I appreciate it. These volleyball drills, all very helpful. If you have somebody at home to play with, okay, you can use sets and passes, and you could get across from each other, and you could do a lot of that back and forth, okay? It's a ton of fun. Also, if you have a balloon around, okay, just a normal old balloon, okay, that you could blow up and use, talk about a great teaching tool when we are first learning, okay? Because we could use these hits and we could volley for so much longer because it stays in the air for a long time, and it lets us have time to figure it out, okay? So I should have mentioned that earlier. Always consider using a balloon with some of these volleyball drills, okay? Especially our younger groups, okay? Very, very helpful. But I'm going to put up the 5-minute timer here, guys. If you have somebody to play with, and you do want to do a little hitting back and forth, that would be great, okay? Or you can continue to do the drills that we have just done, and maybe you'll do all of them for, do each one for an additional minute or so, okay? So here's that timer, and keep up the good work, guys. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you had a good time doing the activity, and we'll catch up with you next week.